Good morning, students. In class 7, we will start a topic that is reported speech. So basically, what is reported speech? It is generally d- in, uh, it is generally basically divided into two sections. That is direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech says the exact words of the speaker are given in the inverted commas. जो वर्ड्स स्पीकर्स ने बोले हैं दैट इज गिवन इन इन्वर्टेड कोमा. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं कोमा इन्वर्टेड कोमा में शी सैड आई शैल कम इन अ फ्यू मिनट्स. तो जो वर्ड्स किसी स्पीकर ने बोले और डायरेक्टली इसको कहा गया, कोई चेंज नहीं किया गया इसमें, और वो कोमा इन्वर्टेड कोमा में गिवन है, दैट इज कॉल्ड डायरेक्ट स्पीच. इन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच द सब्सटेंस ऑफ व्हाट द स्पीकर साइड इज रिपोर्टेड बाय अनदर पर्सन. लेकिन जब इनडायरेक्ट की बात करते हैं तो जनरली इसको कन्वर्ट करके वाइल कन्वर्टिंग द कोटेशन या वर्ड सेड बाय direct speech, that is she said that she would come in a few minutes. तो उसमें क्या करते हैं जनरली, we have to change time, place and person accordingly. Fine. तो डायरेक्टली जो वर्ड्स बिना चेंजेस के बोले गए हैं इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में, इनडायरेक्ट मीन्स जो उसको कन्वर्ट करके अकॉर्डिंग टू टाइम, अकॉर्डिंग टू प्लेस, अकॉर्डिंग टू पर्सन, जो उसको कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं, तो बेसिकली वहाँ यूज़ करते हैं हम लोग इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. क्लियर? तो उसकी कुछ जनरली रूल्स हैं, उसको एक बार डिस्कस करते हैं. Generally, some things you have to remember. Say to, you convert into tell. Says to, tells, said to, told. Clear? One side. Comma, inverted comma goes. In the replacement of comma, inverted comma, we have to use that. Clear? Say to, tell, says to, tells, said to, told. Clear? And generally, we have to convert while using tenses also. See how? So firstly, you should know about the persons. We are having three type of person. First one is I, we. Second one, you. Third person, he, she, it, they, any name, etc. That will be count in third person. I, we, first person, you, second person, he, she, it, they, any name. The rest of the person will be called third. So basically you have to remember, आपको इसमें याद रखना है कि हमें इसमें tenses का भी change करना है. We have to change pronoun also, as well as we have to change places, time and condition also. Like tomorrow. Tomorrow will convert into the next day. The following day also. Yesterday, the day before yesterday, या previous day. Tonight will convert into that night. Today, that day. This will convert into that. These will convert into those. Next day, following day. Last week, the previous week. Here will convert into there. Ago will convert into before. Now will convert into then. तो basically आपको ये भी इसमें याद रखना है कि now को then में change करेंगे and ago को before also. So in this case, firstly, you have to remember rule first, which is said, अगर आपके पास says to given है, if you are having says to in reporting verb, this section में we will call reporting verb, and whatever is written into the double inverted comma will be called reported speech. All right. So if you are having present form in reporting verb, तो the tenses of reported speech will not change. Clear? अगर यहाँ पर says to लिखा है, say to लिखा है, या will say to लिखा है, will shall, तो in the cases of a reporting verb in present or future tenses, then we will not do the changes of tenses in reported speech. यानी कि SMR को SMR में रहने देंगे according to pronoun, कोई change नहीं करेंगे. First thing you have to remember it. So generally says to को tells में convert करते हैं, ये आपको पता है. Second, if you are having first person in reported speech, it will be same as the subject of reporting verb. I'm repeating again. अगर यहाँ पर IV given है तो IV को आप चेंज करेंगे जो यहाँ पर सब्जेक्ट होगा एज इट इज उसी में. ठीक है. सी हाउ says to will convert into tells. He tells that my mother, comma inverted comma goes, that comes. First person, it will be same as she. जनरली आई के साथ एम का यूज करते हैं बट शी के साथ इस का यूज करेंगे. अटेंडिंग विल बी सेम एज अटेंडिंग. दिस विल कन्वर्ट इनटू दैट आई टोल्ड यू एंड दीज विल कन्वर्ट इनटू दोज. That meeting. All right. So that basically it was first person. If you are having second person in reported speech, so what will be the changes? Now we are having second person in reported speech. So if you are having second person in reported speech, so it will be the subject of that is. That is my father. My father का pronoun क्या होगा? That is he. Fine. तो female के लिए she का use करेंगे, male के लिए he. तो in the place of my father, we have to use here he. My father will be considered as a he in reported speech, he. So we have to use is. तो I के साथ am का use करते हैं, he के साथ is और they के साथ are. तो got it? If you are having second person in reported speech, it will be convert as a pronoun of it. तो my father का pronoun he होता है, we are using he. Tenses change नहीं किए हमने because we are having present form in reporting verb. Clear? So next one is third. He is attending this meeting. तो in the cases of third person, we will not do any changes. इसमें कोई भी change नहीं करेंगे. That means he will be same as he is. Clear? So हमने generally आज क्या सीखा? If you are having present or future form in reporting verb, then we will not do any changes of tenses in reported speech. Second, if you are having first person, it will be same as the pronoun of this. If you are having second person, that is you, it will be the pronoun of object of reporting verb. If you are having third person in reported speech, we will not do any changes in it. Clear? So that was enough for today. So in upcoming lecture, we will start the upcoming topics of basically reported speech. Clear? Thank you so much.